What's the meaning of anticoagulant? Anticoagulant. 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 Anticoagulant.
An anticoagulant is a medication or substance that prevents blood from clotting. It works by inhibiting the formation of blood clots, which can cause serious health problems such as stroke and heart attack. Anticoagulants are commonly used to treat conditions such as deep vein thrombosis, DVT, pulmonary embolism, PE, and atrial fibrillation. They can also be used before and after certain types of surgeries to prevent blood clots from forming. While effective at preventing blood clots, anticoagulants can also increase the risk of bleeding and other complications.